Hello gang, SharpShot21 back again. This time we are going to do some more internal disassembly on this transmission. I've got the front and direct drums, I think, to disassemble. We kind of did the reverse drum already. And the overdrive will have its own video because that one needs some specifics. Which I don't have yet and haven't made yet, so we'll get there. So I've cleaned and reorganized. I'm ready to take these two drums apart, so we'll reshuffle the camera and start on that. Might get to the pump. I'm hoping I can get to the pump. We shall see though, and then probably gonna wait on the, well, yeah. Get those two done, put them over there. I got space for the overdrive section, so we will take the valve body apart as well, because that does need to come apart. Because I think that's where all of our issues are. So, let me reset the camera and we'll start on these. All right. We're going to start on this one. Don't lose the spacer. Now these snap rings are pretty low tension. They're really just made to hold things in. This is a wavy one. And we dump it out. There is a nice honkin' spring in here too. I'm not sure what that's for because nothing really acts on it. But let's take a look. This steel not bad. Well, let's take a look. This is the reaction plate. Not bad. Clutch material is pretty good. These clutches look good. Honestly, it looks pretty good. This is a flat. These clutches and steels are hammered. That's a clutch. There's no material left. Nothing. Yeah, these are burnt. Totally destroyed. Totally fucked. Not using this clutch drum anyways. So this comes in. I ordered a spare because that one's broken. So let me grab that for you. So I have a fresh front hub. Got the drum, got the reaction rings and pressure rings. It's got the snap ring, got the spring. So this is a fully fresh drum. We're going to use this one. I'm going to stack the old one here. And that one lives there. So, we found one bad drum. I'll take that. I've taken one of these apart already. So this solenoid I'm going to probably replace with a machined one. We'll replace the springs on it as well. This whole contraption is always sticky because there's a seal in there that's hard to get out. This has been updated. Okay. Yeah, we're going to replace that for sure. The seal is definitely getting replaced. That lever appears to be fine, but we'll get it cleaned up. Right, that detent is for the rooster comb. Oh yeah, someone's been in here before. Because that, I believe, is an upgraded. Okay, let me grab my Torx. Someone's been here before. Governor pressure solenoid. That solenoid is destroyed. All right. Let's flip this over. We'll pull this. Okay. Oh, yeah. All sorts. All sorts of schmoo inside this valve body. I think we found our problem. Okay, I'm trying to get the solenoid pack off, because honestly, that's one of the key pieces for this. Oh yeah, this is all fucked. Okay, push this out. Now put screws back in holes, for the most part here. Alright, I bet you there's a broken spring in here. Let's find out if I'm right. No, we are intact. Yes, I know I just dropped. So that's not great, a TV valve. TV valve. I think that's in there backwards. Something is still funky in here, so let's pull off. I'm gonna pull these off first. Oh yeah, that is going to have to be flushed. Because there is nothing there. Yep, all sorts of schmoo. All the balls are in the right spot up here. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. We're going to drop all these check balls into this ball. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. This backside is covered in schmoo. Let's pull these 5 out. All right. All right, last little bit, pull this apart. There's a plug and spring in here. That plug is out. Let's have more over here. Okay, we got 3 plugs. Okay, so 3 springs on there, 2 valves. We get that one in there. Got that valve, looks good. Alright, lost the camera there at the very end, but we got everything apart and I've got it all sort of laid out as to how it goes back in. I know how some of it goes in. I've got it laid out for how the rest of it goes in. There's going to be a lot of cleaning that happens off camera because some of these pieces are filthy. And they were, water impregnated and there's water in the fluid and I don't want to deal with that in a new transmission. So, lots of off-camera cleaning going to happen. So I apologize, camera lost battery at that last little bit. That's where we're at. Next video, it is time to defuse the grenade. We have to make a tool, and then we're going to defuse a grenade. I say grenade because it really, really is a dangerous thing. But we'll come back to that next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Sharps out.